Fix in 5. P0591. Cruise control multifunction input B circuit range, performance problem. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system inoperative or disabled. Cruise control light remains off or flashing on dashboard. Cruise control buttons unresponsive. Inability to set or resume cruise control speed. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cruise control switch or multifunction switch assembly. Corroded or loose electrical connector on cruise control switch. Damaged wiring in cruise control circuit, chafed. Or water damaged. Intermittent electrical connection in steering wheel switch module. Here's how a pro pins it down. Avoid replacing the cruise control module or ECU before co. Do not overlook subtle signs of wiring wear in the flexible. Always use genuine or quality replacement parts matching T. Reperform a full system reset or adaptation where required. Document all findings and steps during diagnosis. Helpful F. How to fix it. Clean or replace corroded cruise control switch connector pins. Replace faulty multifunction cruise control switch assembly. Repair damaged wiring in cruise control harness. Reseat all cruise control circuit connectors with dielectric grease. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 165 to 240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0591? Short trips may be possible with P0591 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0591. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.